So I have everything from the store, Dollar Tree. And so, yes, I am excited. And I spent, I believe, $68 or something like that. So make sure you guys look out for my Dollar Tree video. There will be an organizing and decorating, and then I'm also going to be filming a makeup video using the products that I just bought from Dollar Tree. So what's up? So I am on my way to the thrift store and I am pretty excited. So the mission for today is to search for some fall decor items. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found a couple of things, but I feel like I need more, you know? And so I'm going to the thrift store just to see what they have. And the thrift store that I'm actually going to usually always stock up for holidays. So they have just an assortment of different items usually. So I mean, I am looking forward to seeing what they have today. I don't know if you watch my other thrift store video, but this is the same thrift store, and they also usually have great wicker baskets, which is what I use to organize our bathroom. And so I'll be looking for those as well. And the reason why I'm talking about these things is because I have a couple of videos that if they aren't out now, they are going to be out soon, and they are all related to decorating for fall and organizing, because I really want to organize our pantry, because right now it is like a pantry slash miscellaneous slash storage closet, and if it is going to be that, then I need it to be flexible, organized, and you know, just very well put together. And so I did find some things at the Dollar Tree for that, which was super surprising and exciting, and I cannot wait to start working on those things. Definitely found a couple of things from the Dollar Tree that I can use for some DIY projects. So honey, if the video is not out now, then definitely look out for that. Hit that bell so you will not miss a video. But if it's already out, I'll put an iCard up here, and I'll also link it at the end of the video and in the description bar so you can check that out. So yes, let's go ahead and head to the thrift store, honey, and see what we can find. You guys, so I am back from the store, and I went to the thrift store, and then I also went to this place called Menards, and honey, they have everything under the sun. I've purchased cleaning supplies. I've purchased some more fall decor. I've also purchased some drywall inserts because I need to hang some things more efficiently. Right now it's 1:02 and I have not eaten anything today, so I'm about to make me some fish tacos. And honey, it's a super easy recipe, and I've cooked fish tacos by hand before, so like breading them, frying them, and all that kind of stuff before, and I enjoyed them. But when it comes to making things quick, I just, you know, have found a way to make them more quicker, and they still taste good. All right, so I am going to be using these right here, and these are beer batter fish tenders. And when I cook my fish fillets, I use beer batter anyway. So I am about to dishes and put these bad boys so I want 2 tacos, so I'm going to do 4 pieces. They're not that big at all. And to go, let me just get out. Oh my God, are they all dirty? My God. And so to go on my tacos, I usually make me a tartar sauce. So I'm just using mayonnaise and some relish. And this is the mayonnaise that I'm using. It's an organic mayonnaise, and oh my goodness, it's so good. I don't know how the heck they make organic mayonnaise taste like old-fashioned mayonnaise. But yes, and I'm gonna do a little bit more because I absolutely love mayonnaise. Okay, absolutely love mayonnaise. I'm just gonna put some sweet relish in there. And I'm gonna add some lemon pepper. And that just gives it a little tang. And then I'm going to add some dill. And that's going to bring out that lemon flavor just a little bit more. And just make it taste a little bit more fresh. I don't know if you guys knew this, but I love to cook. So if you are interested in cooking videos, let me know. Leave me a comment because I absolutely love to cook. And anybody who tastes my food, they always say it tastes really, really good. So that is what that's looking like. And I'm sorry, you guys. You know I don't like a lot of light, so I hope y'all can see. I'm just going to add a little bit more sweet relish and dill. It smells so good. So this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna put this in the fridge while the fish cook, and then when the fish is done, honey, we'll be ready to eat. All right, so my tortillas are warm. I like to warm my tortillas up in the microwave, and these are just some flour tortillas. I also like to put mustard on my fish tacos, so I'm just getting some basic mustard here. Then of course we have the tartar sauce, which has thickened up really nicely. And this is just like a close-up view to what it looks like. So to add that crunch that I'm missing, I am just going to cut up some radishes. And I love radishes. I didn't know radishes were so good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna cut some up. So I'm just going to get my fish and put those down. Then I'm going to add my mustard. And the mustard is just there for the vinegar factor. I love the sourness of it, and it just goes so well with the fish. Then I'm going to get some of that, I will call it dill relish, and put that on there. I really wish I had a green, but my salad is just not in the condition to eat, so I had to throw that away. But I do have some radishes, so still getting some type of vegetable in there. So we're just gonna sprinkle those on there, and I'm gonna use every bit of the radish because they are so good. And then just to make it look pretty, I'm going to add some more dill. And then we're going to take a bite.